Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using, let's say, our contact list, and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with our contacts. So we will block a number which is currently saved. So let's enter the contacts, find the one you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here, almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got block numbers option. So let's tap on it. As you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, actually we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the info that from now on this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist, which we will enter in a minute. So, and that was the very first option, the very first way of blocking a number. The second one is, let's say, using the settings. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recent or favorites. Just tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers. And here, as you can see, we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts. What's more, and this option this way is a little bit different, because just by adding a number you will be able to enter it manually, so you do not have to have it saved on your contact list, for example. So here you can enter the number and simply tap on block, and as you can see, it will be also blocked, will be immediately applied to the blacklist, and again you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will simply be allowed to block calls from unidentified callers. So that's quite cool and maybe useful. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to unblock the number and remove it from this list, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it by tapping on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.